Hello friends, welcome to Squaird Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to be designing a May planner spread for my birthday week. I'll be using a lined vertical layout to track my health and fitness in my classic happy planner, so come plan with me. And I've got these stat stickers all ready to go, as well as this washi tape I may use, a few happy planner sticker books, and this Planning Things sticker book, which I'll pull from. Okay, let's go ahead and lay down some wax paper so that I can figure out what we're going to do this week with this spread. I looked around through all my sticker books and had pulled a couple that I thought I might be able to have enough stickers to complete a spread in, mainly from my older seasonal sticker books. But honestly, I just really wasn't feeling the color scheme in there. It was a lot of soft pink and gold, and I don't know, I just wasn't in love with that. So I did a little bit more searching and found a few books with a bunch of different smaller, sections that I thought I could bring in. That's what we're going to go ahead and try to mix in today and see what we can come up with. So I'm pulling those little cupcake stickers. There was a random set of 4 of those in the horizontal layout sticker book. So I'm going to pull those in. The styling of that book has some themes that match up with the Happy Illustration sticker book, so I thought that would be a good one to use. I'm also going to go ahead and pull in these balloon clusters from the big Color Story sticker book here, and maybe even pull in this cute bike that I saw while I was flipping through. I thought that might be a good addition to the spread, since one of my goals for my spring bucket list is to go and take a bike ride, so might be just the right time to go and do that. I did like the kind of pop of bright yellow that added to the spread. And now I'm trying out some of the other items, the banners and things that are in this sticker book, just seeing what I feel like works best. I also brought in some stat stickers from my stash in kind of a rainbow color scheme. And then tried out that washi I pulled, but then realized that it was a lot of black in that washi that didn't feel quite right with the spread, so I don't think I'm going to end up using that washi in the end. And since I'm going more towards the rainbow, kind of hyper colorful look, I think I'm going to use these quotes that I've been saving from the Happy Illustration sticker book. They're really cute. I love the font they use there and the rainbow colorway that it's designed in. So I thought that would be a really cute addition to the spread, just make it more fun and colorful. And then it also has that hashtag best day, which of course your birthday is always the best day, right? So I thought that would be a nice addition. And then since there's one other quote that kind of matches with that same style, it says very busy, I'll go ahead and put that in the sidebar just for the repetition. And hopefully it will, make me a little bit more geared towards working out. We'll see. I mean, I doubt it, but you never know. You never know what might inspire you. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off these top quotes on the cupcakes that says treat yourself. I do like them, but I just felt like they were cluttering up the space a little bit, so I'll just keep it with just the cupcake design next to the balloons, which I think works pretty well. So now I'm just trying to figure out how to bring in a little bit more to the spread and also give myself a space for tracking my workouts, as well as I have to have space for my food log, which honestly lately hasn't been that big, so I get away with taking up a little bit more room there in the lined area as needed. But still, I do like to have that on each of my spreads for my health and fitness. So I went back and forth on what I wanted to use as far as the tracking boxes, circles, hexagons for my workouts, but thought that the circles would best match up with the balloon feels and maybe could work that in a rainbow color again to try to get the rainbow feels throughout the spread. I did use these circles in a recent health spread that I did, so some of the colors are missing or I don't have. So I'm going to have to pull in maybe another stat sticker color that I have to help balance things out that I wasn't originally planning on using. But we'll figure this out and make it work. Whatever looks best. This is definitely going to be a little bit more of a hodgepodge of different things, just things that bring me joy. So we're going to try things out and, figure it out as we go along here. And I really like this banner, but I'm just having a hard time with the placement of it. It's made for a big planner, so it's a little bit extra on the days. It just wasn't feeling right on the weekend area, so I went ahead and put that back. I think maybe I'll be able to pull in something, maybe some washi to top things off later once we kind of get things going here. And then even maybe add in some of these heart stickers that are in the back here that are matched up with the quotes so that I can add kind of like a confetti feel. There's some confetti on the balloons as well on that sticker page that I'll bring in and just make everything feel a little bit more festive. So let's go ahead and get started with that. I'll move over some of the bigger items first, just get that placement just right so that we can move forward with the design. And this one, I wanted to make sure that the Y letters were not being cut off, so I wanted to make sure the alignment was perfect and then make any adjustments afterward. Kind of same thing here with the balloons. Don't want it to cover the May at the top, and I also need to white out behind this balloon that overlaps the black line, just so it's a nice clean look. I like how this is going. Happy with that. Let's go ahead and drop in those stat stickers now. And I'll do a little bit of overlap here, but the rest should go in pretty smoothly with no overlap. And I'll just pick the colors I think match best with the circle stickers. So again, there's that kind of rainbow effect going across the page. Just a few more here. And I print these stat stickers on my computer at home. Pretty simple. I have a bunch of different options that I use, and I've been using that one sheet that I created at the beginning of the year pretty much up till now, so it lasted me half a year or so on one sheet, which is pretty good. And let's go ahead and move the stickers on the bottom corner. I was going to try to roll them off, but I think I want to have a little bit more control over the placement, so we'll do them one by one. And I think I want to white out this black line right behind, just so again it has like a cleaner look. I like that a lot better with those clear stickers than having them overlap the darker lines. And that's going in smoothly. Go ahead and drop in some of the other stickers. And finally, that quote sticker. I haven't given myself that much room to put in food on my birthday, but that's okay. I mean, who wants to track food on their birthday? So we'll see how it all turns out. So I had the idea when I was laying in these circles to do almost like balloon clusters with them, but also use those circles for tracking my workouts. We will see. At the very end, I do try it out, but I think I end up just leaving it as is, just with the circles to make things a little cleaner. But that could be super cute if that is something that works out with your layout, to actually draw the strings in for these circle stickers, kind of make them into balloons. I think that would be a really cute way to get some function, but also make them a decorative item on your spread. So this is going to take a minute. I just am going to put in the heart stickers in and around, almost like confetti, near their appropriate colors for each day. And they are tiny, so it does take me a second to put them all in. And then, like I said, I'll be using some of the confetti as well from that page. There really wasn't a lot of either of these, so kind of mixing them together made them go a little bit farther than they would have been able to go on their own. And I'm going to cut a couple of these in half, just again to extend the life of them. There's a tiny bit of confetti around the balloon stickers themselves too, so it all ties together really nicely. And like I said, I feel like it feels more festive with a little bit of confetti on the spread. I'm just trying to balance out where I put these stickers. I'm going to try to use them all up since there's, just this handful of them in the sticker book. I'm liking this. It's cute, it's fun, but yet still functional. Okay, so I think we're done with all the stickers. So this is where I wanted to try out some different washis in my stash. I saw this one, I thought I might be able to make it work. It is from the Happy Planner. It's a rainbow with kind of like a white confetti look on the washi tape itself, which you'll see in the close-up at the end. And I thought that was a nice mix of the rainbow feels and the confetti feels, so I'm just going to try to match up the color with the area of the spread that the color is in the best I can with this washi, since it does short the colors a little bit. That way it just kind of continues that rainbow vibe. I think the bottom looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and try this other side. Maybe get a little more green in over here. And again, I'm going to try those strings with the balloons, but it's not going to work out. So once I'm done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, too, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.